Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the country of your Roblox profile on both Roblox Desktop and Roblox Mobile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. When you are on Roblox and logged in, tap the settings icon from the top right of the screen, and then tap Settings. If you're on mobile, tap the three dots button at the bottom right and then select Settings. On the Settings page, there is an option called Location. Click the current location and you can change it to a different country. Click Save once you are finished. Your country on Roblox has been updated. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Roblox tips and tricks.